If Path of Exile 2 crashes or freezes with a Deadlock Detected error, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by driver conflicts, unstable graphics settings, or background apps interfering with the game engine. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. This clears stuck system threads that often cause deadlock-related crashes. Next, update your graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA or AMD drivers from the official website. Deadlock errors are very common with outdated or unstable GPU drivers. Now, change the renderer inside the game. Open Path of Exile, 2 settings, and switch the graphics API. If you're using DirectX 12, switch to DirectX 11. If you're using Vulkan, try DirectX 11 instead. Restart the game after changing this setting. After that, disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, NVIDIA Shadow Play, MSI Afterburner, and any FPS counters. These tools frequently cause engine deadlocks. Also, verify the game files. On Steam, right-click the game, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. If the issue continues, lower in-game graphics settings and disable VSync. High settings can trigger deadlocks on unstable systems. Finally, check Windows updates and make sure your system is fully up to date. In most cases, one of these steps fixes the Deadlock Detected error and Path of Exile to run smoothly again.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.